Hi, this is a web guru and I'm going to show you simple slow motion and fast motion in Premiere Pro. So here in the timeline I have a clip and I want it to go in slow motion. So all I have to do is right click and then choose speed duration, and then if I choose any number less than 100%, it'll go slower. So I'm going to choose 50% here. Now you'll see that the clip has become longer and it's in slow motion. Now I want this clip to go faster, so I'm going to bring up the speed duration dialog box again. I can right click, or I prefer Command R or Control R on Windows, and if I choose any number above 100%, it'll go fast motion. So I'm going to choose 150% in this case. You'll notice that the clip has become shorter in the timeline and it is also faster. If I want it to go back to normal speed, I'm going to go back to speed duration and simply change the speed back to its original value of 100%, and now it's back to normal speed. So it's as simple as that. Now another technique that I like to use is called the rate stretch tool. I'm going to switch over to a different sequence that has multiple clips inside of it. The rate stretch tool is in the Tools panel. You have to click and hold down the Ripple Edit tool. That will reveal 3 tools, and I'm going to choose the rate stretch tool. You can also use keyboard shortcut R to select this tool. Now with the rate stretch tool, I can adjust the speed and duration directly in the timeline. So on this first clip, if I stretch it and make it longer, I'm actually slowing it down. So now that's a slow motion clip. And I'll do the same thing with this next clip. I'm going to stretch it out and then I'm actually slowing it down. And then for this last clip, I'm going to do the reverse. This clip is kind of slow, so I'm going to make the clip shorter and it's actually becoming faster. Now if you want to know the exact percentages, you can look on the clip. You can see that this one is 204%, this one is 53%. We're essentially doing the same thing that we did previously with speed and duration, but we're doing it directly in the timeline, which sometimes is more convenient. So to summarize, simply right-click or control-click on a clip and choose speed duration to change its speed, or you can choose the rate stretch tool from the Tools panel, or with keyboard shortcut R, to directly change a clip speed in the timeline. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and go to my website for more tutorials and resources.